Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Borderlands 4 game crashing at startup, not launching, stuck on loading screen, black screen, lagging, freezing, low FPS, unable to launch or other issues on PC. So let's go through it. The first method is to check system requirements. So you should make sure that your PC meet the required specs of the game. So for that, go to Steam and here you need to search for the game. After that, go below and here you can see the system requirements to play the game on your PC. So make sure you have these requirements, and after that, or your PC have these requirements so that you can play the game easily. Next solution is to restart PC as well as Steam. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option over here, then click on exit. After this, click on Windows, then click on power and then select restart option. So this will restart your system. After restarting, now check if the game is launching or not. If not, next solution is to update your graphics card. For that, go to Windows search for device manager. After that, go below and expand display adapters. Select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update drivers and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search for the drivers update. If any update is there, update it and then launch the game and see if it helps to fix the problem. Nvidia and AMD users can easily go through this link that I have provided in the description. After this, update your drivers and then check if you can play the game without any further problem. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, you need to go to Steam, then go to the library section. Here I am showing you the example. So after selecting the game, click on properties, then click on install files, and here you need to click on verify integrity of game files. This will verify the game files. Once done, try to launch the game and check if it helps. Next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues as it plays a vital role. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next solution is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, then under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then under general, here you need to type -DX11 and then launch the game and see if it helps to fix the issue. If not, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if it is working now. If not, next solution is to run game as administrator. For that, launch Steam. Now under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, then click on compatibility, and then here you need to click on run this program as an administrator and then hit on apply and OK. Now launch the game and see if it works. If not, click on run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or even select Windows 7 and then hit on apply and OK. After that, launch the game to see if it helps to fix the problem. If not, click on disable full screen optimizations and then click on apply and OK and then see if it works to resolve the problem. If not, next is to allow the game through Firewall. So for that, go to Windows search for Windows security. After that, click on Firewall and network protection, then click on allow an app through Firewall, then click on change settings. After that, you should check if your game is listed over here. If not, click on allow another app, then click on browse, then go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select it and add it to the list over here. After adding it, search for the game. After you find the game, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on allow option. or OK option. Once done, now launch the game and see if it helps to fix the problem. If not, next is to disable Steam beta participation. For that, you need to first open Steam settings, then interface here beta participation, then select none and restart Steam. So what you need to do is go to Steam, then click on Steam option, then click on settings option. After that, go to interface, and here you should select no beta chosen. So you need to select this if it's not selected, and after that restart Steam once and then check if the problem is resolved or not. Next solution is to update Windows. For that, click on the Windows search. Now search for check for updates option. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you should check if any update is available. If there is any update, you simply need to update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and see if it's working or not. Next solution is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, launch Steam, click on Steam option over here, then click on settings. After that, go below, click on in-game. Now here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option is enabled. You simply need to click on it. It will be disabled. Now check if it is working. For GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, then switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, then game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. So after doing this, check if the issue is fixed or not. Next solution is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for Task Manager. After that, go below, and under Processes tab, you need to search for those apps which is running in the background without any use or consuming high resources. So after selecting it, right click on it, click on End Task, and after that again launch the game and see if it's launching or the crashing is resolved or not. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, first you need to go to the link that I have provided in the description. After that, download and install the files. So what you need to do is simply copy this. It will be open. Download C++ files on your PC, and after that launch the game and check if it helps to resolve the problem. Next is to increase virtual memory settings. So for that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings, then click on settings option over here, then click on advanced. Now click on change. Then here you need to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, click on custom, and here you need to type 12288, and the maximum size is 24576, and then click on set and then click on OK option. So after doing this, launch the game and see if it helps to fix the problem. Next solution is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having any antivirus program installed on your system, it's suggested to disable it, because this kind of antivirus program can lead to unwanted issues and you cannot play the game further. So you are suggested to disable it once, and after that launch the game and see if it works to fix the problem. Next is to install DirectX on your system. So for that, go through the link, open this link on your browser, to click on download option. The file will be downloaded. After it gets downloaded, you need to install it, and once it's downloaded, install it, and after that launch the game and check if it helps to fix the problem. If not, next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. After that, here you should check if for the game if it's listed. If not, you simply need to add desktop app. Then go to the game folder where it has been installed, add the game to the list. After adding it, you need to select the game. After selecting, here under GPU preference, you need to select high performance, and After that, launch the game and see if it helps to fix the problem. If not, the final solution is to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and after that click on uninstall option once again. After uninstalling the game, now restart your PC once. After restarting, launch Steam and again reinstall the game and then try to play it and see if it helps to resolve the problem. So these are few suggested solutions that will help to fix Borderlands 4 game crashing, not launching, not working, unable to launch, lagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.